In this video, we are going to learn how to install a SSL on your domain name, and that allows you to have the HTTPS, which allows your website to be more secure. So without it, you can only have an HTTP website, and that's no good. So let's learn how to do that. So in this situation, I'm using NameCheap, and it'll probably be slightly different for each system. So like if you're using Bluehost or WP Engine or whatever, it's going to be slightly different. So unfortunately, this is not going to work for everybody, but hopefully you can at least understand the concept of how to do this, and it'll at least look similar. And then worst case scenario, you can contact help support from your hosting provider. So anyway, I'm going to log into NameCheap and then go to the hosting list and select the cPanel for the domain that we're working in. So go to cPanel, and then I believe there's an option for SSL. So if I do Control Find SSL, there's this NameCheap SSL thing. So I can click on it. And once again, I'm actually not sure how there are other ways to do this, even just within NameCheap. So again, this may or may not work. You'll just have to kind of talk with the support if this isn't helpful. And then, yeah, I guess you sign in with NameCheap or sign up for this NameCheap SSL thing. Okay, and then I can activate and or install in Positive SSL, one of them that are available. So as long as you have purchased one, you should be able to install it. So you can click install and then select a domain, and I'm going to say hello I like pie.xyz. Oops, and you can see my email here. I'm going to use a different email. Okay, and then now we can set up the redirects. So HTTPS by default, and then HTTPS redirect, you should be able to hit true. So unfortunately, we have to wait. So I'm going to wait around, and then we'll see if this works. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes, and all I did was hit this sync button, and then this yellow warning turned to green, and it said we had installed it. And then I went to an incognito tab, I went to my domain and hit enter, and now it's automatically going to HTTPS. And if I type in http://hello I like pie.xyz, it should just automatically redirect me to the HTTPS. That way it's impossible to have an insecure site. So that's good. And then I had to close the incognito and reopen it to get that to work, but you want to also make sure that you have this HTTPS redirect on, and HTTPS by default. Basically, you just want it to redirect. Like I think all of these, I don't know if they're the same, but the end result is you want it to always go to hello I like pie. And then if we try www.helloilikepie, it should shave off the www and again always go back to the HTTPS : domain name format. So that's it, and we are good with the SSL. And one of the small benefits of using Bluehost, again, is that they just do this SSL stuff for you. I don't know how it is if you're pointing a domain from another place, like if you're pointing a domain from GoDaddy to Bluehost, but when you buy the domain and the hosting from Bluehost, they automatically just do this for you. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos, and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.